Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Google Sheets document public so anyone can view it, no matter where they are, even if they don't have a Google account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take any Google Sheet and make it accessible to anyone with a simple link, whether you're sharing a spreadsheet with a friend, collaborating with a team, or even publishing data for viewers around the world. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google Sheet, the file you want to share with the world. Once you have it open, look up at the top left corner and click on File. Now you might be tempted to head straight to Share, which is a little different, but instead keep your eyes peeled for the option called Publish to the Web. Don't worry if you haven't noticed this feature before, it's tucked away, but it's incredibly powerful for making information accessible. Once you click Publish to the Web, Google will present you with a new window. Here you'll see an option to publish. Now what's happening here is that Google is preparing to take your spreadsheet and create a version that lives on the web, separate from your private document. This means anyone with the link can see your data, but they can't come in and mess things up, they're just viewing, not editing. This is perfect if you have a scoreboard, a public schedule, or maybe a collection of data you want to display on a website. So go ahead and click that Publish button. There might be a little confirmation window, it's just making sure you really want to make this document public. Don't worry, you can always stop publishing later if you change your mind. Once you confirm, Google will generate a special link for you. This link is the gateway to your public sheet. Take a moment to copy that link, maybe hit Ctrl+C or right-click and select Copy. If you want to, you can even choose whether you're publishing the entire document or just a specific sheet from your file, using the drop-down menus. And now you're ready for the final step, sharing that link. Paste it into an email, drop it into a chat, or post it on your website. Anyone who clicks the link will be able to see your spreadsheet just as you published it. There's no need for them to sign in or request access, and they can see updates in real time if you make changes to the sheet afterward. Think of it like broadcasting a TV channel. The link is your station, and viewers just need to tune in. And that's it, it really is that straightforward. If you ever want to stop sharing, just return to the Publish to the Web menu and hit Stop Publishing. Remember, making something public means anyone with the link can see it, so always double-check that there's nothing private or sensitive in your sheet before sharing. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or if you ran into any confusion, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more practical Google Sheets tips just like this, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.